I'm going to show you how to export chart data in TradingView. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. So let's get started. First, head over to TradingView.com. Once you're there, move your mouse to the top menu and hover over Products. From the drop-down, click on Supercharts and wait for it to load. Now that your chart is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the chart name along with a drop-down menu beside it. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. Here, you'll notice an option called Export Chart Data. Click on it and a window will pop up. You can choose the format of your exported data, either Unix timestamp or ISO time. Once you're happy with your selection, simply click Export. But here's the catch. Exporting chart data isn't available for the free basic plan. You'll need a premium plan to use this feature. The good news is TradingView offers a 30-day free trial, so you can activate it and test the feature out. After enabling Premium, you'll be able to export your chart data into a CSV file, which you can then open and analyze further. And that's it. That's how you export chart data in TradingView. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.